Hey friends, this is Ate Pope here, Val, and welcome to the new update on Burger. In my previous videos, I've been showing you a very huge descending triangle that Burger has formed on a 7 day time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that recently, for a while, the price had moved down below the support of this descending triangle. However, it is now recovered back, and now we are breaking out this very long-term resistance of 40 cents that was previously working as a support here for several weeks a month, almost as a resistance here, and now again it can work as a strong resistance for the price line, and then it can hit the resistance of this descending triangle somewhere here, approximately at 65 here at 63 cents. And in case of breaking it out, we will have another very long-term resistance here at 90 cents that had been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks a month, and support here and resistance here. And again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the videos description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Burger. By the way, the last signal that I shared for BurgerCities was on 17th of June 2024, and that was a bullish shark pattern that Burger was completing on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down and into the buying on here. Then we had a very, very nice reversal. And this was almost 26% pump only on this 1 hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Burger, and this is a 7 day time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of July 2021, it is moving inside this very big and huge descending triangle. We got stabilizations here, then we had a bounce here, rejection, then we had a few more touch points here, the support, then we had a nice bounce, we got rejection here, then we had another bounce here, rejection, and now recently the price is bounced very well from the support. In fact, for a while the price had moved down below the support, but it covered back. And now we are breaking out this very long-term resistance of 40 cents. And after that, we can hit the resistance of this big descending triangle approximately at 62 or 63 cents. But in case of breaking out, there will be another very, very long-term resistance that will be here at 90 cents that had been previously breaking other resistance here. And for several weeks a month, it had been breaking other resistance here and support here as well. And after that, we will have another major resistance here at $1.50 as well. It had been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks and almost as this support here as well. If I zoom this chart out, then you can see that here it had been breaking as a support. Therefore, again, it can break as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Burger. But in case of breaking out this down trend and resistance of this huge descending triangle, I'm expecting that a very, very massive rally will begin. And you can see that the movement is also quite squeezed now inside the support and resistance of this triangle. Therefore, at any time, it can break this pattern. For example, if we will have a breakout from this descending triangle, then long-term technical target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $11.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.